All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. We're going to take a look at this Battlbox Mission 72. You guys know that Battlbox sent this box here to the channel for me to take a look at it. I don't really review it or anything. I just pretty much open it up and I show it to you guys. You know, there's different ways that you could pick. Again, you know, different subscriptions. You got your basic, advanced, pro plus, and one thing you're going to notice right away is that the basic is $29, but the pro plus is $160. So if you're going to use your hard working money that you work hard for, just like I do, not for this box, this was sent to me for free, but if you're going to use your money, make sure you know what you're buying. All right, because $160 is a lot of money. That's a motorcycle payment, if you ask me. And again, I don't want you guys to waste your money. One thing that I would tell you is that you're going to get a lot of gear. You're going to get a lot of cool gear sometimes. Some months it's going to be like great things. Some other months it's not going to be so great. So it's kind of like a gamble. That's what you do. With time, you should be able to have a ton of gear, which, again, is kind of nice, right? So, again, let me switch cameras right here. You have your Battlbox briefing 72, and if you open it up, you're gonna have a bunch of, you know, like information and things like that. Now, this Battlbox is one of the items that I actually enjoyed it a ton. It's gonna be on the first, right there on the first thing. I don't know if it's thing, maybe in the first subscription. There we go, first subscription, and it's gonna be this knife. I don't know where this knife. I mean, I don't have too much experience on this knife or anything like that, but wow, this thing says it's $29, right? And this is a neck knife, and let me just put it right here, and I'm going to tell you, wow, I like it. I really, really like it. Look at this. Man, this is sweet right here. That's kind of like a little, you know, safety, little rubber that goes, I think it goes like this, and then it clamps into there. Again, feels like it's like a pain to put that, you know, to put it. Oh, okay, you gotta press this way. All right, let's see. Bam. Okay, that's easy. You kind of have to press in this. But again, you know, what a cool looking knife, man. And I just put it on, and I'm gonna tell you, I thought it was really, really cool. First of all, it looks amazing. It just looks really nice. And the scales right here are grippy. And look at that. I mean, it looks like it would literally make some damage. So again, I'm not so much into neck knife or anything like that, but I'm going to tell you, just from this one right here, it weighs pretty much nothing. It feels very, very light. I mean, it feels like nothing. And I'm going to tell you, I'm actually digging this. I really, really dig it. So look at this. Teen Jesus with a neck knife. I mean, really, really nice if you ask me right there. But again, I'm surprised that this little knife came, or I'm surprised this little knife came on this subscription, you know, on the basic, because usually it looks to me, it kind of looks fancy to me, if you want to put it that way. So again, that's going to be the Revolt knife, Rapture maybe, RAPT, survival neck knife. It's valued about $29. Again, very, very nice. And that's going to be part of the basic box. The next thing we're going to have is going to be a medical kit. All right, so here's the medical kit. Let me put this to the side. And again, you're going to have a little medical kit right here. These things are great, right? You could put them in all kind of different things. But again, this is going to be a rehydration salt. And it says, let me read from the book right here. All right, is dealing replenish fluids fast, formulated especially to help your body replace fluid, better than sport drinks. Okay, so it's some kind of rehydration kit, and that's kind of cool. You could put it in a survival pack or anything like that, right? You guys know that staying hydrated is super important. It may save your life. And again, you have different packages in there, right? So very, very cool. So that's going to be the second item for the basic box. The third item is going to be a reference ready nut cards. All right, I got them right here. I don't know how I feel about that or about this. Let me kind of break it. I'm sure my son Lorenzo will have a kick out of this because he loves all this kind of stuff, right? So again, here's one thing that I would tell you from Battlbox. They do send a lot of things that allows you to train. So all right, so that's kind of cool too. You know, if you want to learn how to do some nuts and things like that. Again, you know, it is what it is. So Comes with a little carabiner. I'll carabin it right here. Let's put it on. All right, so I'm probably gonna give Lolo this. He's probably gonna have a kick out of this, right? So that's gonna be it for the basic box. You got a really, really cool knife. I'm telling you right now, I figure that when they give you this knife, it's gonna kind of, you know, not give you so much more, because this knife is actually pretty cool. I mean, the survival box is $30, right? Or the basic box is $30. So the fact that you have this knife already covers that, and you have this little kit right here in this as well. Let's put it back here to the side. We're gonna go into the advanced box, which is gonna be a medical kit. Very, very cool. Let me put it here. Really, really cool, actually. And again, let's read a little bit about it, right? So this is going to be an adventure medical kit, first aid. It's going to be valued about $39. So again, very, very cool, guys. I'm telling you, I love this little medical kits. You could put them anywhere, right? You could put them in all kind of different backpacks and things like that. You could put it in your car. You could put it anywhere. And I'm going to tell you, when I saw it, I'm probably going to leave it here in the house, or maybe I'll put it on my motorcycle. Look at this. All right, this is kind of cool. So you got wounded care and blisters. I like how it's essentially label. You see all the stuff in there. I don't want to take too many things out. All right, so all that stuff in there. That's actually pretty cool, right? And then you have more stuff in here. Cuts and scrapes. Instrument. Stop the bleeding. All right, that's a good one. This is pretty cool. See what kind of instruments we have. Oh yeah. All right, I kind of like this. Medications. All right, let's open it up. And you got some medications in here, right? I do like this a lot. I like the fact that you could open it up, and as you open it up, look what you got here. You got something that is labeled. You got something that is, you know, clearly is marked, and stop the bleeding is in a different color as well. So you have all that. It opens up, so you could actually have access to it. Very, very easy. And again, when you're gonna close it up, it folds up pretty nice as well. I like it very much. This thing is valued about $40, which is definitely not bad at all, right? So again, very easy. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it in the bike. I may not. You know, it'd be cool to just put it in your saddlebags or something like that. All right, so that's gonna be the medical kit. The next thing is going to be, obviously, that's going to be in the advanced box. The next thing is going to be the Pro box. And this year, or this month, it came with a share. And I'm just going to show you the picture right here. And when I got it, I thought it was a tent. I was kind of excited, but it's not a tent. It's a share. So it's okay, because I use it all the time. I got 3 kids and a wife and all that stuff. And again, you know, having this is really fantastic. It says a camp chair. It's valued about $60. I open it all. Let me show it to you guys. And obviously you have the frame right here. And I'm going to tell you, just by looking at the frame, it looks really nice. And the material looks really nice as well. It costs $60. That's kind of expensive. Nowadays, you could go to Walmart and pick up a chair for, I don't know, $10, $9.99 or something like that. But again, it doesn't look like that kind of chair. It looks like something that is just really good. That's what it looks like. Good quality. All right, so $60 is a lot of money for a chair, but once again, it looks like good quality. All right, so the last thing in the Plug Pros is going to be this knife right here. And I'm going to tell you, if you check out essentially the Battlbox video, there is a whole interview with the guy. I think it's the guy who created this or something like that. And I'm going to tell you, it's pretty cool, because they actually put some information on the place that it came from and things like that. So again, this is a pretty cool, I don't know if it's a knife or a machete. I don't know what we're going to call it. But again, it says here Palawan blade. Value is about $95. And again, it's really nice. And I'm going to switch right here. And here, just to kind of give you an idea, it's a really interesting blade. But the thing about it, as I was watching the video, I guess they use it, you know, the local people use it in a really specific way. When they hold it right here, they have like a movement that they do to cut. And again, that it has to do with the handle, right? The handle right here, the way that this handle is made is really ergonomic. And when you hold it here, it kind of gives you a little bit of movement on the wrist, and it allows you to like cut really well. Again, I'm not, I don't know much about it. So, but that's what I saw in the video. And that's kind of what they went for, right? To kind of follow a blade that they've been using for many, many years. And again, you see the ergonomics here on the blade and the way they hold it, kind of do the thing. I don't know. So again, very, very cool blade. I'm going to tell you, it's not that heavy, really not that heavy at all. And it feels like it's a really nice blade. It's not that big neither. So it will be really easy for you to put it in a backpack or something like that. And again, very, very easy to carry. It doesn't look like it's complicated at all. You see the material right there. Again, very, very nice. I like having a blade like this, guys. I really do, because you know what? It's very beneficial. You never know where you're going to be. And again, it's very beneficial to have a blade. It's a utility tool. It's a tool that you could use in multiple applications for multiple different things. And I'm going to tell you, it looks really nice. Just look at the width on this blade right here. I mean, it's insane. This thing is nice. So again, you pay $160 for the Pro Plus, but once again, you get cool stuff like this. And sometimes you get a really cool knife, sometimes you don't. That's just how it is. So anyways, what do you guys think? Big shout out to Battlbox for sending this to the channel for me to show it to you guys. Appreciate you guys watching. And as always, gotta in control.